Hey YouTubers, I just got this mower to fix. The name of it is it's a Yard Machine, 6 horsepower, 21-inch cut. The engine is a Briggs. What's wrong with it is the pull string broke off. You can see the hole right there. That's broken off, and she also wanted me to change the oil on it after I fixed that and replace the air filter. So those are the only things I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to be showing you, is how to change the oil and also how to restring the mower. Over here I've got, this was the old string, had about it's a number 4 rope, and it had 7 feet of line. So what I did is I pre-cut 7 feet of number 4 rope, and I'm going to be attaching this handle on it. I'm going to be using a pair of needle nose pliers to reach inside here to pull this out, and then I'm just going to thread in the other piece and then re-knot it. I just put a small one overhand knot in this end. I also, before I did that, I put a small flat washer on the other end, just so it would butt up against that washer. Now we just take the or do this one-handed. Just run this back in here. And it's set. Now all we have to do is just thread the other end into the pull starter part. So now we're going to go back over to the mower, and the first thing we want to do is the top of this mower has 2 Phillips screws, number 2 Phillips screws, so we're going to take those off. Okay, so now the top will come off, and now this is exposing the pull starter. But in order to get this off, I'm going to have to take the tank off. Tank is held on by, it looks like 1, 2, 3 small little bolts. All these mowers vary for how many bolts you got to take off. This one just happens to be 3. Sometimes you'll find more or less. So I get these out. Try to get in there. Okay. Alright, take these out. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now, the fuel tank is part of this. What we're taking off is this ring that's got the fuel tank is part of it, and the fuel tank has one more bolt holding it on. You'll see down here if I can see. There's the other one. There you go. Let's see if I can videotape. Alright, I got that out. Okay, lift the tank up. You can set it back. Here's the spacer. I got this out. This is between the tank back here, goes back in here, and the bolt that held it on. So just spacing the tank out a little bit. But this, we can leave the line intact, and we'll just take out. These look like they're 3/8. There's 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll take those 3 out, or 4 out. Let's see here. Okay. There's those 2. Now there's a couple. I got a longer extension, so I'm got the ratchet handle up and away from everything. We'll get that over here. Okay. See if I can just take these out by hand. Coming right out. That one. There's one over here. It's the 4th one. Before we take this out, we've got to look. The dipstick for the oil is fastened on right there, so we got to take that out. That looks like a 5/16. So we'll take that out. Oops. 1/16. Alright, now we're ready to take this shroud off. Just lift this up out of the way. Just kind of move it out of the way so you can get this off. The shroud will just lift up and away. There we go. It's exposing the fan. And now here we go. Again, as you can see, the little end of rope there. What we're going to be doing is just rewinding